Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. Hope you are doing great. This is your revision class for online studies test. Here you can see a short review of previous topics which you have already covered earlier. Hope you remember about the concept of tens and ones. If we having a number like 1 4 14, then you have to write 1 in ones in tens column and 4 in ones column. Always remember 110 is equal to 10 ones. Here it shows that one group of 10 is equal to 10, then two group of 10s are equal to 20, and three group of 10s are equal to 30, four group of 10s are equal to 40. Okay, so you can see how it can be written in numbers and words, like there are 10 pencils which is equal to 110 and one separate color pencil that is equal to 1 ones. 110 plus 1 1 makes a number 11, and in words it can be written as 11, ELEVEN, 11. In another example, there are 10 pencils which is equal to 110 and three separate color pencils that is equal to 3 ones. So 110 plus 3 ones makes a number 13, and it can be written as 13, THIRTEEN, 13. Let's revise the concept of abacus. Abacus having two rods, tens and ones. Let's count the beads and write the number. In first example, you can see there is one bead on tens and 0 on ones. So it means the answer came out to be 1 tens and 0 ones, that makes a number 10. In second example, you can see there are 3 beads on tens and 2 beads on ones. So it means 3 tens and 2 ones makes a number 32. Hope you remember the forward counting. Learn the forward counting from 1 to 300. Okay. So here is a quick review about the place value of 3-digit numbers, that is 100, tens, ones. Always remember 10 group of tens is equal to 100. Let's count the boxes. There are 10 group of tens. It means it is equal to 100. And then two group of tens are given here which having 20 boxes. Separately, it means it is equal to 2 tens, and there are 0 ones. So 100 plus 2 tens plus 0 ones makes a number 120. 120. Draw beads on abacus. In this activity, 3-digit numbers are given in 100, tens, ones column. You have to make beads on abacus according to given instruction. Like a number is given 100, 2 tens and 0 ones. So draw beads on abacus accordingly. 1 bead on 100, 2 beads on tens and 0 on ones. Now, as you already learned about the count and write, here is one example. As you can see, there are 30 group of tens, 30 group of tens are given, that is equal to 300, and then 3 group of tens are given, that is equal to 3 tens, and 1 2 3 4 5 ones are shown. So you have to write like this: 300 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones, that makes a number 335. It means 300 plus 30 plus 5 is equal to 335. Okay, so what we do in numbers names? Hope you remember that we write the names of given number in words like 567, 632, 924. We have already done in this exercise previous lesson. Revise backward counting from 100 to 1 and write down in a rough copy for practice. Okay, before, after, between. Hope you remember the concept of before, after, between, as we already covered this topic. For practice, must go through the previous lesson. Here one example. What number comes between 64-66? By the help of given numbers, like you can fill and find out, it would be 65. Let's revise the concept of less than and greater than. As you can see, 3-digit numbers are given. Now you have to find out the greater one and make the symbol of greater than towards the large number. In this example, two numbers are given here, that is 249 and 348. Make a symbol of greater one. Yes, that is the large number, that is 348. Now in this example, crocodile open his mouth towards a large number and make a symbol of greater than. It shows 562 is greater than 543. Ascending order, it means numbers move towards the forward counting or increasing the order. As you can see, some numbers are given. Let's arrange them in ascending order. So first the smaller one comes, that is 687, then 692, 729, 748, 750, and then 901. This is how to arrange in ascending order. Descending order, it means number moves towards backward counting or decreasing the order. As you can see, some numbers are given here. Let's arrange them in descending order. So firstly the greater numbers come, that is 864, then 790, 684, 542, 531, and 513. That is how it can be arranged in descending order. Okay, so now you have already learned about the word problem, that is, in a cricket match, Shahid made 53 runs, Muiz made 41 runs. How many runs did they make together? This word problem is about addition of two-digit numbers. So in this problem, Shahid made 53 runs and Muiz made 41 runs. Question is to know about the total runs that they made altogether. So let's add that these number 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 53 plus 41 makes a number 94. It means they made 94 runs altogether. Hope you remember about the addition, that is converting ones. In converting ones, always remember, never write two numbers altogether in same column. Here is an example given for your understanding. Let's count the objects numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. The answer came out to be 11, but do not write all together in same column. Write 1 in ones and transfer the 1 in tens column. Okay, so in this word problem, Maha plants 25 trees, Aisha plants 18 more. How many trees do they plant together? The sum is, let's solve it. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So write 3 in ones and transfer the 1 on tens column. Now add the number on tens. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. It means 25 plus 18 makes a number 43. Here is another example of word problem, that is, Saima has 151 stamps. She collects 109 more. How many stamps does she have altogether? Here 3-digit numbers are given. Write 8, 100, tens and ones and add them. First add ones column. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Write 0 in ones and carry the 1 on the 10 column. Now add tens column. 1 plus 5 plus 0, that is equal to 6, and 1 plus 1 on 100 column is equal to 2. So it means 151 plus 109 makes a number 260. Okay, so learn the table of 3, 2, 3 and 4 and memorize it. Okay beta. Now we will discuss about the paper pattern. Yes. Alright, let's wind up our revision class and discuss about the paper pattern. Now let's paper of class 2 is based on 25 marks. Your math paper for class 2 is based on 25 marks. You will get 90 minutes to solve the paper and attempt any 5 question out of 7. Each question carry equal marks. Okay, and you will get total question marks 7 question, but make sure you just have to solve any 5. Each question carry equal 5 marks. Okay, make a separate test copy for online test. Once you get the question paper, copy down the question and solve it in your test copy. After the complete your test, submit your test copy in school next day or any other day for checking. Do remember, revise all your work. Paper is made from your course which you have already learned in previous weeks. Do your test neat and clean. Okay beta, good luck. Allah Hafiz.